Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the card balance and activation status. Do this now so you don't hit a surprise at checkout. Once done, activate the card using the back panel code or phone number and record the PIN securely. Make sure to log into or create the retailer account where you'll shop. The saved address and payment settings speed the next steps. You're preparing the essentials so the actual purchase moves smoothly, and any partial payments are handled without delays. Now you add the lifestyle gift card like any other payment method. Enter the card number, expiration, and security code or PIN where prompted. Once entered, choose the billing address that matches the card registration to reduce declined transactions. If the purchase exceeds the balance, make sure to apply the gift card first and then select a secondary payment for the remaining amount. You do this because many checkouts prioritize stored cards in sequence, so ordering payments prevents accidental declines. Finish by reviewing the final total, taxes, and shipping, then confirm the order and save the receipt or confirmation ID. Once complete, check your email for the vendor confirmation, and any pending authorization holds that convert to charges in 24-72 hours. If the card is declined, try re-entering activation details, match the billing address exactly, or use a different browser. If issues persist, contact card issuer support with the activation receipt. This troubleshooting step often resolves most problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.